In this episode, we use a hammer and a saw and a big spanner.
I'm not happy about doing this, but never mind. Are we going, are we?
We're live.
Excellent. Now that is why I want my C-spanner. Now, this does make the edit. I won't be using this to do it back up. By that time I will have found the appropriate tool, and not the one doing this at the moment, or the bloke hitting the hammer.
I'll search in the same place you.
You go on, you have a look. It's one of them's a like a chromey sort of colour. It says Ohlins on it, so that would have been.
Is that have any use?
Wait, what? Ah, where'd you find that? Oh,
The engineering section.
bastard! I told you it was in the engineering section. Look, the one with Ohlins stamped on it.
That's the one.
Fucking idiots. Yeah, it's good lucky you're here
I know.
with your beady eyes, and they say you're only here to do the tea.
They do say that, yeah. Sorry for interrupting the video, you're about 2 minutes in, I'm just editing it as we speak right now. If you could do me a favour and like the video, I'll let you do that now. It's just down there. Click like, thumbs up, thank you very much. And if you're not subscribed, why not, for a start? If you could subscribe, that would really help us out. Along with the likes, it lets us put the videos in front of other people and for the channel to grow, which is what we're here for. So yeah, if you're enjoying the video so far, please drop a like and subscribe, and let's get on with the rest of it.
Oh, look at that. There you go.
Okay.
Springs in here. Bugger all. That's what happens out of there. Look at that. Even though O-ring. Back all these off. That's hard. Soft. Just the one.
Isn't this not the other?
Yeah, good point. Right. I don't know if you can see this at home, but it's coming out. Get it down, yeah.
Right, that doesn't even look like oil. It looks like water.
Yeah, it's definitely suspension oil. I recognise the smell of it. Don't look good though, does it? A bit dirty, isn't it? Sure it's in there. Sure it tests. Oh, look at that. That's a specialist Ducati tool 007843. Ha! Finally gone and got it.
Twang.
Oh, there you go, mate. Got a smoking, that is. It's all warm.
Get a new one then.
Yeah. Yeah. Fucking hell, that. That had suspicion all written all over that did. It's making me want to go to the toilet, that is.
Isn't it?
It's that way. That way.
It's a very small one.
Oh. Wait. Does it?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Go on then, I'll let you do this. Cross my fingers. Yeah, go on. Fucking hell, mate, that's lovely, that is. And what? Hold it just there. I've got it scared. I smell the fear out of it. You got that on sport mode because this thing's going to come flying out of here and I want it to be able to focus in where it goes. Like the golf swing setting. There you go. Sorted. That's out. Okay, I was right. It's piston. Okay. You've got some clever editing to do on this to make me look half professional. Nice shot glass, that. And that, put around there, like that. Boom. It's pretty much there. Looks a bit nice, doesn't it?
Mm.
How's that grabbed you?